magazine editor is looking for in a home tour feature is always tricky, but Country Sampler is always searching for that one perfect 4th of July home for their summer issue, and it needs to be more than just American flags. When scrolling through Instagram, I discovered Priscilla Painter's home, her Americana decor, primitive collections, and personal story as a military family seemed perfect. The editor agreed, and we headed to North Carolina in July to photograph Priscilla and Scott's home with all its primitive and patriotic charm. Priscilla had dreamed of a home with a wraparound porch her whole life, and when she and Scott found this 1980s farmhouse in North Carolina, that dream became a reality. What struck us immediately was how even the exterior told the story. Blue siding, white trim, and patriotic bunting draped along the railings. The whole house was already dressed for the 4th before we even walked through the door. What looks like a dark wall behind this wingback chair is actually a painted door. Priscilla used it as a frame for her folk art portrait, creating a focal point that draws the eye right where she wants it. And look closely at that step-back cupboard. The teddy bears and folded quilts tucked among the books and boxes, adding warmth and softness to an otherwise dark and dramatic piece. Priscilla's dining room has a lovely bay window that fills the space with light and adds architectural interest. She placed an old dresser there, and here's a little decorating secret. That dresser is missing its mirror, but you'd never know it. She hung a collection of primitive bonnets from the top, turning what could have been an awkward gap into a charming display. She tucked patriotic bunting into the drawer to add a little festive color to the dark wood, a lovely touch that she repeats around her home. On the dining room table, Priscilla's display of red geraniums in a blue box sitting on a checkered runner was so stunning we left it exactly as she had it, something we rarely do. And those aprons hanging nearby are more than decoration. They're a nod to the women who came before her, the grandmothers and great-grandmothers who tied an apron every day as a simple act of love. This kitchen is what caught my attention on Instagram, and walking into it in person was even better. Priscilla painted every cabinet black, finding it cozy rather than dark, and she was right. That dramatic backdrop makes every wooden bowl, every rolling pin tucked into crocks, every whisk broom and basket hanging overhead pop in a way that white cabinets never could. Priscilla has a gift for using her collections as a decoration, and nowhere in this home is that more evident than right here. Even the back hall became a canvas for Priscilla's patriotic eye. Working in a small footprint, she decorated all the way up to the ceiling, stacking a chest and rocking horse atop the black cupboard and tucking a presidential tree into the corner. Silhouettes of Washington and Lincoln, primitive flags, and Betsy Ross ornaments, a tree that celebrates the founders as much as the holiday. Priscilla sees decorating potential where others might just see a hallway. From the back hall, one walks into this cozy den, once a screened porch, but North Carolina summers being what they are, Priscilla and Scott decided to enclose it and make it part of the home. They kept the original cedar siding and painted it white, giving the room a shiplap feel that perfectly suits Priscilla's primitive style. One bold red wall anchors the space and sets the tone for everything in it. The gather vignette, the presidential portraits, the flags, this isn't seasonal decorating. For a military family proud of their country's history, this is simply who they are. Priscilla and Scott Painter, a military family who celebrates their country not just on the 4th of July, but every single day, it was a privilege to photograph their home and share their story. From the painter's wraparound porch to yours, we hope you enjoyed the tour.